Hello, I'm 11, Anna. Today I'm happy practice 24 consonant sounds in the International Phonetic Alphabet. Now, let's start. Put, paper, airport, b, boy, book, bank, t, water, better, time, d, do, difficult, door, ch, cheese, teacher, picture, j, job, enjoy, jacket, key, like, king, g, go, give, garden, face, photo, find, vase, live, give, think, thanks, nothing, this, mother, that, see, sound, house, zoo, size, noise, sure, sugar, she, television, measure, Asia, map, mirror, must, now, night, can't, can, sing, long, morning, hat, hand, house, look, play, dollar, read, bright, wrong, wet, word, why, yes, you, young. Bye bye.